Welcome guys to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to use some keywords with rank math SEO plugin on your post. So straight up guys, first, if you're using WordPress, you go to your WordPress dashboard, admin dashboard. So once you add admin dashboard, you click on all posts. You can see it here, all posts on the left hand side. So you click on the posts there. So after you've opened it, probably want to publish a new post, you click on add new. But in this case, I'll be using existing post here to show you how to insert keywords on your post to enable you rank high on Google search. So the plugin I'll be using called rank math. This is it, rank math SEO plugin. So I'll look for a post here that has no keywords in it. You can see this one has keywords. It's already scoring 59 out of 100. You can add more keywords to rank more then. So okay, I'll be using this post. This post has no, that's why you're seeing NA not available, so it's having no keywords. So what I will do right now is to click edit. That's if I want to edit the keywords. But if I'm publishing a new post, it's still the same, but I will show you. Okay, so whenever you're publishing a new post or you're editing your existing post, what you probably do is that you will scroll down. You see this one is already ranking 6 out of 100. You see, it's very low, so it won't rank that much. So what you will do is you scroll down here and look for the plugin here. This is a plugin, and it depends on the plugin you're using. So this is called rank math SEO plugin. So this is a preview here. This is how, if you want to see how the search result will be on mobile, you click on this. You want to see how the search result will be on desktop, you click on this desktop icon. So now we want to set focus keywords to this our post that will enable us rank on Google engine, right? So what we're doing now is we look for keywords that are common in this post, or probably any keywords you want to rank inside this post. Okay, well, now we have an headline like breaking EL-RFI declares NLC president, others wanted, right? So probably I'll be picking NLC as one of my focus keywords to enable me rank. So when people search for NLC, this post will rank on Google search engines, right? So I will go down here and look for the focus keyword box here. So I'll input it here. You will see suggestions here. You can see NLC insurance, NLC 2020. So I will just click on the NLC here, and wow, hooray, you are using focus keyword in the SEO title. You can see it. This NLC is found in my title of this post. You can see it here. So I can add more also. You can add president, for example. President is found inside this post, so you can add president. You can see it. You can see it. So it's already out of 100. You are ranking 64%. Wow, that's good. So if you want to rank more, you can keep adding keywords. Keep adding keywords you want to rank, or probably inside this post. Keywords are inside this post. So that's how to go about it. So if you want to choose your default keywords, you look for the one that has this star icon here. That is the first one I used was NLC. So that is the default keywords. Now when people search for NLC, this post will probably come up on search engine. So that's how to use rank math SEO plugin keywords on your posts. So after that, you can see you're already ranking 64. So in case of this video, I've just been leaving only these two keywords, but you can add more keywords as you want. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So after that, you click on updates. You can see it. Post will be updated successfully. So after that, this SEO is set successfully. That's how you can go about it. Okay, let's see how it looks like here. Wow, you can see it. Out of 100 is already ranking 64, right? So I have focus keyword and the schema is off. Okay, my keyword is already set. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel.